Random country number 3. This is the first 3 out of this case. Dice rolls a 6. Here are the countries. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got United States all the way at the bottom in the 20 hole. One, two, three, four, 5, and 6. Kevin with the United States. And Japan. Kevin crushed that random. Got a thickie. What's the trade? Hire, not fire? What are we talking about? Oh, hire Jim Harbaugh. Why would we fire Jim Harbaugh? We're hiring Jim Harbaugh. Got Garrett Stubbs for the Israelis. Lee Lin. Yohan Moncada. Take a couple base cards off the back. Goldschmidt on the throwback, 06. Dean Kramer. Jaden Rudd, number to 99. It's Arenado. For the Americanos, Gold of Julio for Dominican. Nice one, Jason Battle. Julio Rodriguez, gold. Got a Captains of Jin Yang for Chinese Taipei. For the Americans, it's King Tuck, number to 99, jersey auto. Kyle Tucker. Not a thick sleeve. We need thick sleeves. Over here. Guess the last auto for 15 bucks. We have black, Bo Naylor. There's the boy, Gil Gigajow. Gil Gigajow. Marcus Stroman, Pablo Lopez, Murakami base. Lindor base. There's 2 blacks. First one is Kike. Kike for Puerto Rico and Thornton. It's numbered 6 of 10. Got a captain of Trace Thompson for Great Britain. And black ink. Ooh, maybe not black ink. There's a Lars Nootbaar auto. Lars Nootbaar snuck in there for Japan and Kevin. Was a fan favorite in the WBC, Mr. Lars Nootbaar. And what is this? It is numbered to 10. It's Lars Nootbaar again. Global Grandeur. Grandeur? Global Grandeur? I've never even seen that word. The Lars Nootbaar box. Kevin's getting it all between Japan and U.S. Miguel Romero. Willie Adames. Jin Yang and Rickson Wingrove. Caballero. Miranda. A lot of no names in this pack. Got a gold of Alek Thomas for Mexico. Rat Boy. Captain of Glendenning for the Aussies. Trey Turner. Look at that card. I think these are like case hits. Another one for the Americans. And our last auto in the guess. Is that Harry Ford? Harry Ford. Harry Ford for Great Britain. Brianna's dad. Probably one of the better cards you could pull with Great Britain. Dominguez. Nice. Who else is in there? Ellie, Evan Carter. February 14th, right around the corner.